Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. So today I'm going to share with you all how I make my potato chips. I would have had the potato chips sliced very thinly. For those who have a mandolin, you could use a mandolin to slice it thin, but you want to slice the potatoes as thin as possible. We had it soaking in some water, lime juice, salt and vinegar. The lime juice and the vinegar helps to get the potato a little pliable. It changes the texture of the potato and makes it fries better and also adds flavor to the potato. You kind of want to, after have it soaking, you want to drain it out and use a paper towel and damp it very dry so it does not go into the hot oil with liquid on it. One of the reasons for having it dry as well is that it fries better when the potato is dry. Alright, so now we're going to take up some, put it in our hot oil. Give it a little stir around and allow it to fry until it's golden brown. Alright, so now that it's golden brown, we're going to scoop them out. Put them onto our paper to drain any extra grease. If you want, you can add extra salt. If you want, but we can just add the parsley flakes, stir it and toss and serve.